Hey everybody, Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today I have 2014 Gt500. These are really wicked cars. From the factory, if you snoop around YouTube, you'll see they typically lay down about 570 to 600 real horsepower. I'd say 600 on a really good day to the wheels. So what we've installed is our Stage 1 package, which is a JLT cold air intake, forward racing throttle body. You also get a cooler thermostat, as well as an SCT programmer. I use SCT software to create the calibrations. We load it on the programmer, load it on the car. We went ahead and also installed a set of free-flowing exhausts with some Borla Mufflers. The car sounds really good. Let's make a dyno pull, and now let's see what kind of power this baby makes. Was some sick power on the stock Gt500 with an upgrade package. So that pull, it made 697, made two pulls in a row. So I did a 689 and a 697, so just call it 690 to the tires. Look at this. Really awesome power. Torque is huge. Torque's all the way across the board. Let's take a closer look at the engine. I also forgot to tell you our package does come with a set of performance spark plugs. That's something we always install when we do packages like this. So here you go. You got the JLT cold air intake along with the forward racing throttle body, and this baby has the TVS 2.3 on it right from the factory. Love that supercharger. As always, we also did some JLT oil separators, so that came out really good. The car is going to drive just like factory until you go wide open throttle, and it's, you know, pretty much almost 100 more real horsepower than they came with off the showroom floor. So if you have questions about this car, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. That's how you're going to stay up to date. We offer this package for mail order, or we can install it here at our facility in Indiana. Give us a call, 574-594-9559, or quote at brenspeed.com just to see how much this would cost to get installed on your Gt500. Thanks again for watching.